Disconnect the washer from the wall outlet, open the top panel, and remove the front panel. Remove the fabric softener dispenser, unscrew the agitator holding screw, and remove the agitator. With a magic marker, put a mark on the top and top cover. Push down on the top cover and unhook all the holding tabs around the drum. Remove the top cover. Remove the spinning drum holding screws. Grab the spinning drum and wiggle it to break it loose and take it right out. Remove the agitator seal located in the transmission shaft in this area. Remove this foam gasket. To remove the seal nut, you'll need to use these two tools. Remove the seal nut using the tools and a hammer like this. And remove the basket dry hub using this tool like this. Remove these 4 screws. Disconnect the water level switch hose from the tub. Disconnect the top to pump hose. Remove the belt. To remove the suspension springs, you will need to use a tool like this. Use a spring tool to remove the springs like this. Go ahead and remove all the springs. Now all you have to do is remove the tub with the transmission attached to it. Now be careful. Don't drop it. If you drop it, you're going to break the tub. If you can't do it alone, get somebody to give you a hand. Then put it upside down like this so you can work on it. Remove these screws. Grab the whole transmission assembly like this and take it right out. Remove these 3 screws. Remove these screws. And remove this piece. Remove the bearing assembly and the gasket. Set the new gasket and new bearing in place. Set this piece in place to align the bearing. And screw in the 3 holding screws. Remove this piece and flip it over so I can show you how to install the 3 hooks. Install the 3 spring hooks like this. Then use a piece of tape to hold them in place. Set the whole assembly in place like this. Screw the 6 holding screws. Install the transmission in place. And screw the holding screws. Grab the tub and transmission assembly and lift it up. Now be careful you don't drop it or you could break the tub. If you can't do it alone, have somebody give you a hand. Then all you do is lower it down nice and easy and set it in place like this. Install the 6 suspension springs using the spring tool like this. Install the tub to pump hose and the water level switch hose to the tub. Screw in these 4 screws. Install this piece, screw it all the way in, and then use the tool to tighten them up. Do the same to this one. Screw it all the way in, then use the tool to tighten them up. Install this gasket and the agitator seal. Grab the spin drum and set it in place. You might have to push it and rock it a little bit to set it in place. And screw in the 4 holding screws. Set the top cover in place and push down and lock all the tabs around the drum. Set the agitator in place. Screw in the holding screw and install the fabric softener dispenser. Install the belt. Install the front panel, lower the top panel, and you're done replacing the top seal and bearing.